How to withdraw Spaylater to GCash. So if you're using Shopee Spaylater and you're wondering whether you can withdraw that credit to GCash as real cash, this video will explain how it really works, what's possible, and what you should avoid so you don't get scammed. So Spaylater is a buy now, pay later credit, not a cash wallet. That means it's designed only for paying Shopee purchases, not for withdrawing money. So can you withdraw Spaylater to GCash? The short answer is no. There's no official way to convert or withdraw Spaylater credit directly into GCash balance or cash. If you see videos or services claiming Spaylater to GCash cash out, those are not official and are very risky. What is allowed is using GCash to pay your Spaylater bill. Here's how. You open up a Shopee app, go to Me, then Spaylater, and tap Pay Now. Then you choose GCash as the payment method and confirm the payment. This uses your GCash funds to pay Spaylater, not the other way around. And any method that asks you to send Spaylater payments to a stranger, scan random QR codes, buy items to get cashback can lead to account bans and lost money. So to be clear, you cannot withdraw Spaylater to GCash, but you can use GCash to pay your Spaylater balance safely. If you want a step-by-step tutorial video on how to pay Spaylater using GCash, let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like as well.